Welcome back to another episode of Diabetes 180 with Louis Burtis, your physician assistant and diabetes reversal health coach. Today we're answering a very commonly asked question. Can you include veggie meats in your diet when reversing diabetes? The short answer is best to exclude them. You really shouldn't be eating veggie meats if you're trying to reverse diabetes. Anyone who has insulin resistance, they should try to eat in a way that reverses that insulin resistance. And veggie meats often have too much fat, also, often loaded in sodium, that impairs our health in general and makes it harder to reverse the disease process and come off your medications if you're diabetic. So that's a short answer. Now, the better question should be how much whole food, plant-based items are in your diet, otherwise known as a phytochemical score. So a phytochemical score is basically a scoring system that determines how many disease-fighting chemicals are in your diet day to day. And these phytochemicals that promote health and activate genes in our body to repair damage, they are so important. And it's interesting to know that a standard American diet phytochemical score is about 1%. A vegan, whole food, plant-based diet is closer to 100%, okay? So the phytochemical score is arguably more important than your credit score, right? Because it determines how healthy you are. So instead of asking yourself how much veggie meat you can put in your diet or on your plate from meal to meal, ask yourself how many disease-fighting phytochemicals can you put on your plate every day. Those are your fruits, your vegetables, your whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Ask yourself how much of that you're including in your diet rather than how much veggie meats can I include in my diet, and you'll be good to go. As always, beloved, I pray above all things that you may prosper and be in good health even as your soul prospers. See you next week.